my friends, today I want to show you how I make money with my hack Aviator Predictor for 1xbet for game crash. And look at this, guys, I show you my link, my official Telegram channel, Cheat 1xbet group, and me, Cheat 1xbet. Okay, let's start. I show you actual date and actual time. Now I'm go to Google Chrome, search 1xbet 1x games, and you can see, guys, first link, this is official website 1xbet.com. Press this. Look, guys, this is real world 1xbet. I show you. And now I'm go to game crash and I show you how I win money with my hack. Look, guys, actual link, refresh page 1xbet.com, and all games trans crash. And look at this, guys. I show you, this is my account on 1xbet, my actual balance. Fresh date and fresh time. Okay. And now I show you how work my hack, and I show you how I win money with my hack. Look at this. This is my phone, Aviator Predictor, 1xbet. And look, guys, now I show you how work my hack. You can see. Yes. My friends, my hack is work. And now I'm place a bet, and they show you how I win money with my hack. Take winnings, and I win money with my hack, guys. Place a bet. Take winnings, guys. Look, I show you my balance. You can see, guys, this is big balance, and I win this money with my working hack. I show you my history. Look. Yes, I play and I win. And if you want my hack, write me in my Telegram channel. If you want make money like me, write me. Okay. Now I'm withdraw funds. Withdraw my money on my Visa card. And they show you actual date and actual time. Look at this. Yes. You can see, my friends, I win this money with my hack. I show you my hack is work perfect. My hack is work every time. And now I wait my money on my Visa card. I show you, guys, this is real world 1xbet. Yes. And if you want my hack, write me in my Telegram channel. Yes, status approved. You can see, my friends, I'm withdrawn my money, refresh my balance. Bye bye.